Hello and welcome to the financial statement analysis of Best Buy Company Incorporated by Haitham Shalash. An introduction on Best Buy, in case you never heard of it, it is considered a part of the electronics retailing industry based at Richfield, Minnesota, established in 1966. It roughly has 80,000 employees. They have goals and come up with ideas as any big company will do. They called it the Renew Blue 2020. So their main goal is to do all they can to keep improving, selling their products and expand more and more. They are also not just focusing on selling their products, but they are also trying to get closer with solving customer needs. The benefits of this idea is that there will be more enhancements on smart home powered automation and security to 550 stores, plus adding 1,500 dedicated smart employees for the job. They are shooting for goals reaching the $43 billion revenue versus to the $39.4 billion in 2017. The non-GAAP operating income of $1.9 billion to $2 billion, and then the diluted earning per share rates as a 8 to 9% compound annual growth. The stock market, it's always a difficult thing to deal with, but can show a lot in a company. 1985 was the beginning of the success, opening up at 17 cents. But then today's stock market is $73.64, which shows that the rise it has gotten from back in the day, from the beginning to today's numbers. And as you can see, in December of 2019, there was a downfall. But in every company, there's always a time of change. So from what they did, they took it as a learning experience and they rose back up. Within the balance sheet showing from 2017 to 2018, increased total of liabilities, which means that product being ordered through credit, they are making sales. But with assets being shown as a decrease could be bad, but just means that the company is still waiting to be paid for from the companies given credit. The statement of earnings analysis is a good table to look at. So you can see how the revenue and the cost of goods sold is like now. With the revenue through the years, it does show very much of an increase of $3 million from 2017 to 2018. The same as it goes for the cost of goods sold, which shows that the product is selling within the company and hopefully staying consistent. There's a lot of information worth learning about and understanding now. Is Best Buy considered as a good investment? I do believe Best Buy is for sure a good investment for the fact that it's pretty much known everywhere, and knowing how the industry world is now running off electronics and everybody's growing, new generation, new designs, new improvements, updates. There might be a little downfall for battery failure or just things within the product, that there will be many improvements. If you do have interest of technology, if you like money, if you're willing to always spend a little dollar to make $5, it will be a real well spent investment worth doing. But thank you for checking out my presentation for financial statements analysis on Best Buy Company Incorporated.